Now we are on the changes which should be made in the pronouns of indirect speech. So what are the rules to convert a direct speech into indirect speech regarding pronouns? A pronoun can be subject or object. Here is a simple example. He said, I like music. When we convert this sentence into indirect speech, he said that he liked music. In this example, the pronoun I is changed to pronoun he in direct speech. This sentence has two parts, a reporting verb he said and a reported verb I like music. The pronouns of the reported speech change according to the pronouns of the reporting verb of the sentence. There are 4 easy rules to change in pronoun in indirect speech. Rule number 1 is the first person pronoun of the reported speech, that is we, I, me, my, mine, us or our, is changed according to the pronoun of the reporting verb. And if it is third person pronoun, that is he, she, it, they, their, his, her. For example, she said, I will go to London. She said that she would go to London. He said, I work in a factory. He said that he works in a factory. Now, if you look at both of these converted sentences, the pronoun of the reporting speech is exactly the same as the pronoun of the reported speech. They said, we have completed the work. When we convert this sentence into indirect speech, they said they had completed the work. Now, if you go talk about the personal pronouns, he said, my laptop is heavy. He said that his laptop was heavy. Now, rule number 2 is the first person pronoun of the reported speech, we, I, my, mine, us or ours, is not changed if the pronoun of the reporting verb is also first person pronoun. For example, I said I had applied for a job. Now here in indirect speech, I said that I had applied for a job. Here what happened? The first person pronoun of the reported speech is, we can say, not changed in the indirect speech. We said we sing a song. We said that we sang a song. Rule number 3 here, the second person pronoun you or yours of reported speech is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. अब नाउ हम देखते हैं कि ये सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन यू और यूज जो है ना, ये अकॉर्डिंगली वो भी किसके अकॉर्डिंग, ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, शी सेड टू मी यू आर अ ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट. When we convert this sentence into indirect speech, she said to me that I was a brilliant student. Taking another example, she said to him, you are a brilliant student. She said to him that he was a brilliant student. He said to them, your shirts are beautiful. He said to them that their shirts are beautiful. Now, rule number 4. The third person pronoun he, she, it, they, his, him of the reported speech will not be changed in indirect speech. It means कि अगर reported speech में already he, she, it, they, his, him है, तो वो उसी तरह indirect speech में भी उसी तरह जाएंगे, उसमें कोई changes नहीं आएगी. For example, he said she will buy a pen. He said that she would buy a pen. They said it is raining. They said it was raining. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में ये सारे प्रोनाउंस हैं तो वो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट में भी इसी तरह जाएंगे, उनमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट द चेंजेस विच शुड बी मेड व्हेन यू आर कन्वर्टिंग अ डायरेक्ट सेंटेंस into indirect sentence regarding the pronouns. Now I made it very easy for you to convert a direct sentence into indirect sentence. I hope so you understand this topic very well. Now let's move to our next grammatical topic, which is past perfect continuous.